If you're controlling every single aspect of your manifesting process and you're feeling overwhelmed by that, this is the tapping for you. We're going to release the how in manifesting because, frankly, we're not supposed to know how everything is going to turn out. So let's tap around this. Let's relax our nervous systems and get back into a more trusting energy. We'll start at the top of the eyebrows. I'm a control freak. I need to know how everything is going to turn out. I acknowledge this about myself. And I love and accept myself unconditionally. I just need to control how things will happen. But it's okay. I'm not judging myself. It's hard to let go and trust the process. But I'm learning that the universe has a plan. I trust that it aligns with my plans. And if it doesn't, I know it will turn out to be a million times better. But releasing the how is so uncomfortable. I accept how I feel and I forgive myself for feeling this way. It's safe for me to relax and let the universe do the work. I don't need to know how everything's going to work out. I just need to believe that it will. I trust that everything is always working out for me. I release the need to control the outcome. Trusting the process makes me feel so good. I have faith in my journey. And everything is unfolding perfectly for me.